In this guided heart chakra meditation, you will rebalance, cleanse, and heal your heart chakra, restoring you to your natural state of feeling unconditional love for yourself and others, and feeling a real joy for life. When you are ready, either sit or lie in a comfortable position away from distractions and close your eyes. Begin by taking 3 deep inhalations, filling your lungs completely, and as you exhale, imagine breathing out all the anxiety and tension you've been holding on to. So now breathing in deeply and fully, filling your lungs with air, and exhale, breathing out all anxiety and tension. And again, breathing in deeply and fully, filling your lungs with air, and breathing out all anxiety and tension. And again, breathing in deeply and fully, filling your lungs with air, and breathing out all anxiety and tension. Allow the calming sounds of this beautiful music to wash over you, every note soothing you into a peaceful state of relaxation. You notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Every breath taking you ever deeper into a feeling of peace. You are now completely free of all anxiety and tension. You are free and utterly relaxed. You are safe and all is well. Now connect with your heart chakra right at the center of your chest. Glowing green, this beautiful chakra is the center of love within you. It allows the unconditional love that you are to be given and received openly with yourself and others. It allows you to really feel the joy of life. Take a moment to observe this energy center within you, the strength and intensity of the green light, and allow your inner wisdom to show you now any imbalance or blockage here that is in need of healing. If any rebalancing of your heart chakra is necessary, it begins now. Now you are connecting to the infinite source of unconditional love deep within the center of your being. This infinite source of unconditional love is flowing now to the surface, filling your heart completely with its powerful force. It is healing and rebalancing any blockages that may have been stored within your heart chakra now. As the all-powerful energy of love works its healing miracle within you, you see the green light growing in intensity. Glowing brighter and brighter. Brighter and brighter. More and more radiant and beautiful. Exquisite and pure. Soft, gentle, and kind. Strong, powerful, and boundless. The green light glows vibrantly now in your heart chakra, completely healed, rebalanced, and aligned with the energy flow of your whole system. And it is done. With this powerful, unconditional love now shining vibrantly at your center, see it expanding throughout your entire being, filling every part of your body, mind, and consciousness. Really feel the unconditional love you have for yourself now. Let it nourish you. Let it give you what you most need at this moment. And when you are ready, see the powerful love within your heart chakra expanding out from you now in all directions, surrounding all other people, places, events, the whole world, and see this love returning to you multiplied. The supply of love is endless. The more love you give, the more love you have to give. it is done. Notice the joy you now feel. The sense of expansiveness. That the world is safe, good, and a playground in which you can love, be loved, and feel happy. Take a moment to envisage your life now, filled with this new, profound sense of joy and unconditional love. See it now. It is done. Let us take a moment to be grateful for your beautiful open heart chakra, now brimming with such joy for life and real unconditional love for yourself and others. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you are ready, open your eyes.